What's going on, you guys? So we are currently with the one and only. What's up, brother? How are you?
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Kazu.
Yeah. You want to shout your Instagram?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
KZU and I can't spell.
I'll just put it on there. So we're in New York right now. We are just going to go through some street photography, and I'm going to strap up the GoPro. It is raining, as you guys can see right here. Of course, I am shooting with the Leica M6 with the 28mm Voigtlander, and I have some Portra 400 loaded up to 800 ISO. So without further ado, let's throw the GoPro on and let's get started. We are at f4 at 1/250th of a second. Shout out to Kazu, man. Such a nice guy. Also a really great photographer. If you guys don't follow him on Instagram, definitely follow Kazu on Instagram. He's one of the guys that I reached out to when I wanted to come back out here to New York to go shoot. And he was actually down for it. So, you know, huge shout out to him. World-class photographer right there, man. It's the eyes, you know. It's gonna turn out like shit though. I feel like I take pictures, when I get it back, I'm like, what the hell was I doing? You know what I mean? Do you need those? I thought it was a baby. No, I thought it was a baby. Bye.